Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Deirdre if this is your first time here. So today I wanted to use the new Colorpop Smoke Sessions palette, and I decided I didn't just want to do like a regular boring black smoky eye, but I wanted to incorporate a little bit of a Halloween into it. So I decided to add a little bit of orange, and for that I'm using this Colorpop Super Shock Shadow in the color Let Me Pass. I don't actually like the Super Shock shadows, but I swatched this at Ulta and oh my god, I had to have it. So I decided to combine the two to create this halo eye that you see right here today, because it's Halloween and you know, there are people out there that want to get in the Halloween spirit without actually dressing up in a full costume. Maybe when you're going to work, or you're going to be at home handing out candy to the trick-or-treaters, or you want to go out and you just kind of want to be in the spirit and let it be known that, you do support Halloween. I figured this is good. So if you want to learn how I created this look, then let's get to it. Okay, so to start off, I've already applied my base, which is the P. Louise base, and then using a very narrow crease brush. This is the MAC 217, I believe. I'm gonna go into the color Night Dream, which is the black with a little bit of sparkle, and I'm going to start to apply this to the outer and inner crease because I want this color to be very intense. That's the reason why I am starting with the black first. And we're going to build this color up, just tapping it in. And make sure you kind of tap your brush off to get some of the glitter out, because it's not really gonna stick. The glitter that's in the shadow is more for show. It's basically just a matte black eyeshadow. And I am gonna connect this color at the top in the crease. Next, with the same brush, I'm going to take the color Slated, and I'm going to start to apply this over the edge of the black to help start blending it out. Once we get the edges looking a little bit blended, then we'll go in with that color on a separate brush. But this is just going to help with the initial blending. Of course, I like to take mine out a little bit. And then with a fluffier crease brush, I'm going to go in with a mixture of Slated and Stone Face, and we're going to use that to help diffuse the edges even more. The fluffier the crease brush, the more diffused the colors will be. It's a lot easier to get a good blend. So you don't want to use a dense brush for this. Near the brow bone area, I'm just going in with Stone Face only. And maybe add a little bit of yellow right at the height of the brow bone. And then I think just for a little something extra, I'm going to take a little bit of Starstruck on a very tiny shadow brush, and I'm going to actually add this right under my brow on the brow bone, just to add a little bit of a punk glam aspect to it. And now for for the star of the show, we are going to take Colourpop's Super Shock Shadow in the color Let Me Pass. This is an Ultra Glitter, and we are going to add that to the center of the eye in the area that we left open. And then I'm just going to go in with a flat shadow brush and just kind of help use that to, of course, blend out the edges. So my battery died, and while I was waiting for it to charge, I just went ahead and did my base and my brows and everything, so that's why you've come back to see me looking a lot more normal and alive. So let's continue. We're gonna move on to the lower lash line. So going in with the color Night Dream on a pencil brush, I went ahead and added just a little bit of black eyeliner to the water lines. So it's already there kind of as my base. And I'm going to add this color right on top and along the edge. And blend it down so we can smooth out that lower lash line. Take it into the corner because I am going to add some black liner, add a wing line. And then with a little bit larger of a bullet brush, it's a little bit more fluffy as well, I'm going to go in with the color Slated. And I'm going to apply that underneath the black just to help smoke it out a little bit further. You don't have to take yours down quite this low. You don't like to, but I like a really blown out smoky eye. I'm also going to take some of the white, which is Young Love, and I'm going to add this as my corner highlight. And then next, to finish the look, I'm just going to add some black eyeliner, and I'm going to wing it out. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished up the look. I did the liner, and then I added some lashes. These are just some Ardell Wispy lashes, and then for lipstick, I did Lime Crime's Pumpkin because it's got the word pumpkin in it. Actually one of my favorite all-time lip colors, and I highly recommend. But you don't have to do a bold lip. You could actually do like a neutral lip because it's such a kind of bold eye. But I really like this color combination, and I feel like when else are you gonna wear orange and black? You're not gonna wear it any other time of year because you're gonna think to yourself, oh, this is too Halloween-ish. And so you're not gonna wear it. So why not wear it for Halloween or during the month of October? That 1 month window that is acceptable to wear orange and black together on the eyes. I actually like the way that cool and warm tones look together. Like I love when people do like silvers with like bronzy colors. I just think it looks really pretty. So I like this look. I hope that you like this look. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment telling me about your idea of wearing, would you wear orange and black outside of Halloween on a regular given day? And subscribe to the channel because why not? You're already here. And I will catch you on the next video. Thanks.